Churches across Lagos State have opened today in accordance with the directive of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu that Christians can observe their daily and midweek services with COVID-19 protocol. TVC News Senior correspondent Kanu is out to monitor these and joining me live for update. Ivy, what have you observed so far?
Okay, Shita, we are actually at Our Lady Star of the Sea Catholic Church, and I must tell you that they are in total compliance of the COVID-19 directive. Here we are told that members were advised to register online, and when you register and you get to the church, they will check with what they have printed out from the computer to cross-check if you actually, registered online, and if you did, you'll be allowed into the church. They also have thermometer and, places to wash your hand with soap and water. We also observed that some of the churches we went before now were a bit empty, but when we made inquiries, we were told that that was so because the vulnerable were advised not to come to the church. That's people from 60 and above, and children between 1 to 12, they were advised not to come. And since the children won't be able to come to church, their parents, especially mothers, stayed back to watch the children at home. So far, the churches we've visited and they are excited that they are returning to the daily church service and their weekly services. So that's what we've observed so far.
Right. I'm equally curious to know the social distancing thing, whether it's clearly observed. Though you try to give us a little picture of all of this, but paint us a picture of how it actually went. The pastor standing at the altar, on the altar, and then the people, spacing out, and the number of people who attended, probably the one you are right now.
Okay. Where we are presently, where you have the long bench, what we observe as social distancing is that you have somebody sit at the tail end of the benches, and also at the entrance you have there's a clearly marked point 1 to 56, and the one right behind me shows 57 to 86. Now those are the numbers that are allowed to attend mass today. So apparently they are observing the social distancing very well here.
All right, TVC News Senior correspondent Kanu, thank you so much for the update.